750,000 Model Y, all built right here. But what does it actually take to get there?
We are the casting pirates. We melted down 95,000 tons of aluminum to make a rear underbody for every single car.
Right behind me you can see our stamping shop and tool and die area where we maintain 75 dies. Since we started, we produced over 10 million parts and consumed 130,000 tons of steel and aluminum.
750,000 cars built in Berlin. For us in body shop, that means 800 robots made over 2 billion welds.
The most advanced paint job in the world. Up to 7 layers, over hundreds of robots applying the paint and checked by humans. Every drop of water, recycled.
Over 750,000 cars built in Giga Berlin. That requires over 1 million drive units.
And our own cells? Let's just say that we are building a lot more than drive units soon.
We are material handling and we deliver more than 10 million pallets, close to 1 billion parts, since we started production of the best car in the world.
This is the final check. Then it drives itself out. Already 150,000 kilometers on FSD right here on site.
So, 750,000 is not the real number. Nearly 11,000 is the number. Nearly 11,000 people showing up every day and delivering. 750,000 cars, that was yesterday. We aren't stopping there. We go +1 every day and have a blast doing it. We're ramping 20%, new shifts, new jobs. So, are you ready to get in the game?